Set right in the heart of Pawtuxet Village in Cranston, this gorgeous Colonial offers hardwood floors throughout its flowing floor plan. Take advantage of the one-car garage and the lovely gardens with mature plantings. The front living room is a fantastic gathering space for family and friends as you sit by the brick wood-burning fireplace. The abutting dining room is lined with windows that give every meal a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Completing the main level is the charming kitchen with a tile backsplash and a door to the large wooden deck overlooking the private yard. On the second floor are 3 generous bedrooms that share a full bath, making this home a viable option for any living situation. The proximity to Pawtuxet Village gives this home incredible walkability. Pawtuxet Village is brimming with popular shops and cafes that are all locally owned. Narragansett Bay is less than half a mile away, giving you access to multiple marinas and coastal beauty. There are multiple parks in the vicinity, including Pawtuxet Oxbows Park and Roger Williams Park, home of the acclaimed zoo, walking paths, and the Carousel Village. Less than 5 miles away from this fantastic location is downtown Providence and its renowned theaters and dining options. For more information, please visit the property website or call Barbara Dacey at area code 401-527-6745.